out, but it's so important to just come back to center. I haven't listened to the news in like 5 days, and it is glorious. It is like my mind is mine again. It is still, it is quiet. I can actually hear my voice. Even the voice to do this video and these words to come to you, I could not touch it with a 10-foot pole if I had tried the first day that we got out here, because everything about me was a complete jumbled mess. My mind was trying to catch lightning flies. And this was a term that the grandmothers, when I did a journey to them, gave me, where it's like you're just, this current world, it's so fast, there's so much energy, there's so much information, and it's like you're just trying to do this, trying to catch these flies, but you try to catch them and they're gone because they're lightning fast. And this is what our minds are doing. And this is what my mind was doing. And not even just the world news and the craziness and the shit that my president is currently doing. I don't want to call him my president, but he is, because I'm in the United States. But all of it. It's also, though, the worry of my mind. The worry and the fear, those were also the flies, not just outside world stuff happening, but within my own self. And coming back here, and let me tell you, you want an antidote for your lightning flies and your nonstop mind is come hiking at elevation. We are currently at 11,000 feet.
10,400 and something feet to be exact.
How much?
10,400 something feet to be exact.
Okay, 10,400 something. My goodness. There is nothing that is going to still the mind when you are hiking and just trying to breathe and catch your breath and doing an increasing in an elevation as you go. Like, oh my goodness, everything just comes still and suddenly you are back in your body and you are breathing again, just like the earth is breathing right now, this wind coming through.